Okay, here we go with usage 3. 5 more things for you to worry about, or hopefully never worry about again after we go through this. You shouldn't be making these mistakes anymore. Starting with doesn't and don't. Doesn't, that word is for third person, like he or she. And don't, that one's for first person, like I and we. So please don't say things like she don't know nothing. Yikes. She doesn't know anything. And when I say don't say that stuff, I mean you're going to say what you're going to say out in the street. I don't care about grammar in the street. I really don't. You can be as tough as you want out there. One, though, that really makes you sound stupid in the street or anywhere for that matter is if you can't get the difference between seen and saw. Seen is past participle, and so I've capitalized here. It needs to have, or had in front of it. And saw, that's past tense. So please stop saying, I seen you at the mall. I seen her at the store. Yikes, man. It's I saw you at the mall or I have seen you at the mall. The third one today is borrow, lend, and loan. These are three very different things. Borrow means to take temporarily, lend means to give temporarily, and a loan, well, that's just a thing you get with the intention of paying back. So stop using it as a verb. Here are the examples. Can I borrow a pencil? Sure, I will lend you my pencil. I won't borrow you my pencil. And then I went to the bank and took out a loan. Remember that. You don't loan anything. You lend stuff, you borrow stuff. A loan is a noun. Hang and hung, this one's just kind of strange because the verb hang is for the living and hung is for things that are inanimate. Nobody ever makes any mistakes with the inanimate stuff, like we hung the picture in the hallway or we hung 90 points on the other team. Everybody gets that right. But what people get wrong is the man was hanged for his crimes. And if that sounds funny to you, it's just because we've been saying it incorrectly as a society for so long. The man was hanged for his crimes. And if you have a hard time remembering that, remember that the game is called Hangman, not Hungman. That'd be a terrifying drawing to have to do. The last one then is in and into. In means it's already there, and into means it's on the move. It is in progress of moving. So the pizza is in the oven, and I'm putting pizza into the oven. Sorry. So when you go to week 3, you'll see the usage 3 here thing again, and it's pretty much the same as every week. You can take it as many times as you like to get that perfect score. And of course, you're going to be choosing from a drop down menu. So do you think it's, I hate to admit it, but when I was little, I would pee in the pool or pee into the pool? We can all pretend we didn't do it, but we all did it. Just think of it, picture it, in, it's already there. We've all done that. If you've peed into a pool, though, you probably have a problem with alcohol or something like that. If you're standing on the edge of a pool and just, you get the idea. So that's why usage is important. Get this stuff taken care of, and we'll see you next week.